In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to TikTok Shop. If you're an online store owner looking to expand your reach and tap into TikTok's massive audience, you're in the right place. Adding TikTok Shop to your WooCommerce store is a game changer, allowing you to showcase your products to millions of potential customers while streamlining your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. So let's get started. First things first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is your control panel for everything WordPress related. From here, locate the plugins option and click on it. Plugins are essentially tools that add new functionalities to your website, and today we're going to add the one that integrates WooCommerce with TikTok. Now, once you've clicked on plugins, you'll see a page listing all the plugins currently installed on your site. At the top of this page, there's a button that says Add New. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a library of plugins where you can search for new ones to install. In the search bar on the right-hand side, type in TikTok and wait a moment for the results to load. Here's where it's important to pay close attention. You'll see several plugins related to TikTok, but the one we're looking for is the official TikTok plugin for WooCommerce. To make sure you found the right one, check the name, the publisher details, and the ratings. The official plugin should clearly indicate that it's from TikTok, and it will typically have strong ratings and positive reviews. This step is crucial to ensure you're downloading the correct and secure plugin. Once you've identified the right plugin, you'll notice a button next to it that says Install Now. Click that, and WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin. This may take a few moments, so just be patient. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, you should see a new TikTok entry in your WordPress dashboard menu. Depending on how your menu is organized, it might appear as a standalone option or under the Marketing Tools section. Either way, it should be easy to find. Click on this TikTok entry to open the plugin. At this point, the plugin will guide you through its setup wizard. This is a step-by-step process where you'll link your WooCommerce store to TikTok. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Typically, you'll be asked to log into your TikTok Shop account, review certain permissions, and confirm the connection between your store and TikTok. Once you've completed these steps, your WooCommerce store will be integrated with TikTok Shop, and you're ready to start leveraging the power of TikTok for your business. Now that the setup is complete, take a moment to explore the plugin's features. You'll find options for syncing your product catalog, creating ads, managing orders, and setting up tracking for your campaigns. These tools are designed to help you run your TikTok shop efficiently and effectively, so take the time to familiarize yourself with them. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of important tips to keep in mind. First, make sure your WordPress installation, WooCommerce plugin, and website theme are all up to date. Keeping everything current ensures optimal performance and compatibility with the TikTok plugin. And finally, if you're making significant changes to your site, it's always a good idea to create a backup beforehand. This way, you can easily restore your site if anything goes wrong. And there you have it. You've successfully connected WooCommerce to TikTok Shop and are ready to start reaching new customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.